Greetings, students. I want to provide you with a video tutorial on how to upload pictures to Canvas from a PC. I've had many emails from students asking how to do this. It's a pretty simple process, but there's a couple important clicks that you have to get to make it easy. Again, I wanted to make a note that I am doing this from a PC. This is not something that I'm doing from a phone or from a Mac. So if there's a different methodology using those modes, I cannot speak to that difference. However, this is what I did from my computer for our icebreaker discussion board. Here you can see this is our week 1 engagement icebreaker discussion board, and I am giving you instructions here to embed a meme. What I did is, first thing, I clicked on the reply. So this is waiting for me to post a reply. I then went to the embed image icon. It is the icon that has a picture of a mountain and a sun and looks like a photograph. So once you push that icon, embed image, a new pop-up appears. In that pop-up, you have options to copy and paste a URL, get an image from Canvas, or something from Flickr. What I did is I downloaded JPEGs of memes from Google Images to my desktop, and I then uploaded them into Canvas to use for our icebreaker. So what I'm going to do now is click on the Canvas icon. So I will then click on My Files, because this is where I'm going to want to store my file once I have it uploaded. I'm going to go to the Upload file on the right-hand side, and you can see now that we have another pop-up of pictures from my camera roll on my desktop. Some of these pictures you may find familiar from our course dashboard icons. So for example, I'm going to choose this picture here. I've clicked on it, the name appears in the file name box. I'm going to push open. And then you can see that the boxes that were previously empty have now auto-populated with information. From here, I push Update, and you can see that the image is now updated. At the end of this image is the cursor. I can press Enter a few times to put spaces in, and I could now enter another image directly below it by going to the same Embed Image icon. Once I'm completely done embedding all of the images that I have chosen, I simply press Post Reply, and this becomes available on the discussion board or anywhere you've chosen to post. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, please contact me directly.